So in this question, it says that each of the 5 shapes shown below is made from 6 unit cubes, and it asks which has the smallest surface area. So basically we just need to estimate the amount of exposed faces of the cubes. So this shape here, we can call it shape A, B, C, D, E. So shape A has around 26 faces exposed. Shape B, C, and E have around the same, and only shape D has around 24 faces exposed. So in this answer, the answer is shape D. Okay, now moving on to these 3 questions. A cube has a surface area of 96 cm square, and we need to find the side length of the cube. So first we can take 96 cm square, and then we divide it by 6 because the cube has 6 faces. And the answer we'll get is 16 cm square. Now 16 cm square will be the surface area of a face, and then to find the side length, we basically take 16 cm and square root it, and the answer will be 4 cm. So the side length of the cube will be 4 cm. Now moving on, the other question is also the same thing. The surface area is 294 cm square, and we divide it by 6 since a cube has 6 faces. And the answer will be 49 cm square, and then we just need to find the square root of 49, which is 7, so the side line will be 7. And for this question here, it says that the cube has a surface area of 150 cm square, and we need to find the volume of the cube. So basically we can find the side length of it first. So same like before, 150 divided by 6 equals 25, and then we find the square root of 25, which is 5 cm. So 5 cm is basically the square length. So to find the volume, we basically just take 5 cm and times 5 cm times 5 cm, since it's the width, length, and height. So the answer will be 125 cm cubed. Now moving on to the other question, it says that given the surface area of the triangular prism below is 96 cm square, you need to find x. Okay, so basically to find the surface area, for this triangle here, it's 4 cm times 3 cm, which is 12 cm. And to find the area of a triangle, we need to divide it by 2. But there's no need to do it here since there are 2 triangles. So basically the sum of the area of both triangles here will be 12 cm. And now moving on to the bottom face here, it is, to find the area, we take 3 times x. And to find this face here, we take 5 times x. And to find the rectangle at the left side here, we basically take 4 times x. So basically 96 cm square will equal to 12 cm square plus 5x plus 4x plus 3x. So we can shift 12 cm to the other side, and since here it's positive, when shifted over it'll become negative. So basically 84 cm square will equal to 12x. And now to find how much 1x equals to, you basically take 84 and divide it by 12, and the answer we'll get is 7 cm will equal to x. So x equals 7 cm. Here it says that given the surface area of both of the following prisms are equal, we need to find y. So firstly, we can find the surface area of the prism below, since both prisms are equal. So basically, to find the prism below, it's to find the surface area of the prism below. It's basically, to find this face, it will be 6 cm times 7 cm. And then to find the face on the bottom, it will be 7 cm times 11 cm. And then to find the face here on the left side, it will be 6 cm times 11 cm. So basically, to find the surface area, it's 2 times 42 cm squared plus 77 cm squared plus 66 cm squared. And the answer we will get is 370 cm squared. Okay, now that we found the surface area, it basically means that this prism on the top, the surface area of it is also 370 cm squared. Okay, so here we can see that basically only the green face highlighted, only the green face here is a parallelogram, and all the other shapes are actually rectangles. So basically, to find the surface area of this side, it's 5y. Since in the parallelogram we take the base times the height. And then for the other rectangles, it's basically here it's 12 cm times 7 cm. Which is 84, and on the bottom it will be 5 cm times 12 cm, which is 60 cm. So basically for this is 370 cm squared equals to 2 times 5y plus 60 cm squared plus 84 cm squared. So basically it's 10y plus 120 cm squared plus 168 cm squared. So it basically equals 10y plus 288 cm squared. Now when you shift it to the other side, so 370 minus 288, the answer is 82. So 82 cm squared equals to 10y. So basically y equals to 8.2. Okay, now for this question, we need to find an expression in terms of x for the surface area of the prism. And of course, the answer needs to be in the simplest form. Okay, basically for this one, we can start by calculating the area of the both yellow faces here. So basically, we can separate it into two parts. So the part on top will be the trapezium and the bottom part will be a rectangle. Now to find the area of the trapezium on top, the formula to find an area of a trapezium is 1 over 2 a plus b h. So basically here the a is 2x minus 3, and the b will be 2x plus 1 times the height. And to find the height, we take 3x. To find the height here, we need to take 3x minus 4 minus x plus 1, which the answer is 2x minus 3. So basically 1 over 2. So 2x times 2x will equal to 4x, and minus 3 plus 1 will equal to minus 2. So 4x minus 2 times 2x minus 3. And we can divide it by 2 first. So 4x divided by 2 equals 2x, and then negative 2 divided by 2, it will equal to negative 1. So 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 3. Okay, so 2x times 2x, the answer will be 4x squared. 2x times negative 3, the answer will be negative 6x. Negative 1 times 2x will equal to negative 2x, and negative 1 times negative 3 will equal to positive 3, which will basically equal to 4x squared minus 8x plus 3, which is the area for this part here. Now to find the area for the bottom part, is quite simple. Basically, since it's just a rectangle, we just get 2x plus 1 times x plus 1, which will equal to 2x, which will equal to 2x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1, which is 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now to find the total surface area for the yellow part, we basically just add both the parts up. So basically 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. The answer will be plus 4 minus 5x and then plus 6x squared, which will be the area for this yellow face. Okay, so now that we've settled the area for both yellow faces, we need to settle the surface area for all these rectangles here. So one rectangle, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles in total. Okay, so to find the surface area for the 5 rectangles here, we can separate it out like this. So let's say this is rectangle C, D, E, the one on bottom F, and the one here is G. So C, D, E, F, G, which are the rectangles that is wrapping around the yellow shape. Now to find the surface area of this, the simpler method is to just add up all their lengths here and then times it by 3x plus 2. So basically their lengths will be 2x minus 3, 2x, x plus 1, 2x plus 1, and 3x minus 4, which are all the lengths here. So basically it equals to, so now we add all of them up, 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 4 times 3x plus 2, which equals to 10x minus 5 times 3x plus 2. So it will basically equal to 30x squared, which is 10x times 3x, and then 10x times positive 2 will equal to positive 20x, and then negative 5 times 3x basically is negative 15x, and then lastly negative 5 times positive 2 will be negative 10. Hence basically it's 30x squared plus 5x and minus 10. Okay, so basically the yellow part of the surface area of the yellow part which we found before is 6x squared minus 5x plus 4. And then we need to times it by 2 because there are 2 yellow faces. So basically it will equal to plus 8, negative 10x, and then 12x squared. So 12x squared negative 10x plus 8 will be the surface area of both yellow faces, and then now we just need to add the surface area of all of the rectangles, which is 30x squared plus 5x minus 10. And the answer will be negative 2 plus negative 2 minus 5x and then 42x squared. So 42x squared minus 5x minus 2 will be the final answer for the surface area. Now moving on to the last question, it says that given that the surface area of the following L-shaped prism is 194 cm squared, we need to find the perimeter of its cross section. So the cross section is basically the red part here, and then we need to give the answer in its simplest form. Okay, so first we can find the perimeter of the cross section. So on top, which is this part here, it will be, to find this, we take 4x plus 1 minus 3x plus 1. The answer will be x. Here it will be 2x, 3x plus 1, 2x, 4x plus 1. And for this part here, we take 2x plus 2x, which is 4x. So we add everything up, and the perimeter will be 16x plus 2. And now we need to find the value of x so that we can find the perimeter. Okay, and to find the surface area of all of the rectangles here, we can basically take the perimeter of the cross section, which we found before. The answer is 16x plus 2, and then we times it by 5x minus 2. Okay, the answer will be 80x squared plus 10x minus 32x minus 4, which is basically 80x squared minus 22x minus 4. Okay, now that we've found the surface area of all of the rectangles here, now we need to find the surface area of the cross section. So for the cross section, we can basically divide it into two parts. And before that, we've already said that the length here is x, and then the length here will be 2x. So basically, to find here, it will be x times 2x. So here, this area, surface area will be, so here the area will be 2x squared. And then on the bottom part, it's 4x plus 1 times 2x. So the answer here will be 8x squared plus 2x. So to find the total area of the red section, it will be 8x squared plus 2x and then plus 2x squared. And the answer will be 10x squared plus 2x. And then since there are two sections, two red sections, one here and then one on the other side, we times it by 2. So basically it's 20x squared plus 4x. Basically we take 80x squared minus 22x minus 4 plus 20x squared plus 4x. And the answer will be negative 18x and then 100x squared. So this will be the total surface area for the entire thing, which means that 194 cm squared equals to 100x squared minus 18x minus 4. And then we shift the negative 4 over, which means that 198 cm squared equals to 100x squared minus 18x. Okay, to further simplify everything, we can divide everything by 2. So basically, 99 cm squared equals to 50x squared minus 9x. So now basically we can roughly estimate the value of x, so try and error, and we can find that if x equals 1.5, the calculation will be correct. So 99 cm squared equals to 50 1.5 times 1.5 minus 9 1.5. 112.5 minus 13.5, which does equal to 99. Basically, we know that x equals 1.5 cm. Okay, so before we've already found out that the perimeter of the red area is 16x plus 2. So now we substitute x equals 1.5. So the answer will be 26 cm, which is the perimeter of its cross section.